Okay, so our first example, we're going to do the same thing. We are trying to find the initial value. Remember, that's b. So I'm going to first write down that formula that I gave you to find b. I'm going to put that on every single slide. b equals y minus the slope times x. You want to write that at the top of every slide. I didn't give it to you because I really want you to write it, because each time you write it, you're going to memorize it. It's going to make it easier for you. So now we're just plugging in numbers into the right place. So b equals y. Let me label this. Remember, every ordered pair is x comma y. Y is negative 8 minus, then I need my m, which is 2, and my x, which is negative 1. Now I just need to make sure I do my math in the correct order. So I'm going to bring down my negative 8 and my minus, and just one set of parentheses, and I'm going to multiply the 2 and the negative 1 to get negative 2. I'm going to rewrite this because minus a negative means plus. Now I have negative 8 plus 2. The initial value, or the y-intercept, or the b, is negative 6.